Hello YouTube, this is Dom Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a haul from Hobby Lobby. So I had seen people showing some of the Elle collection, and Erica from Scrap Diva had did a video on it, and then I saw Shishi on Instagram had posted she got some of the stamps. So I said, let me go to Hobby Lobby. So I went on Tuesday. I came back in town. I went on Tuesday, and I was able to get. They had the stuff still in the box, but I was able to get it out of the box, but she could put on the shelf. Anyway, so this week they have the 40% off all of the stamps, so got a great deal and everything. They also have 40% on the punch, and I had a punch, and the lady tried to tell me it wasn't on sale, but I was so tired. I was getting a thunderstorm. I had time to argue. I need to get to my car and leave, but anyway, because they had to sign up. So I got these Illustrated Faith when they were 40% off. So they were $10, 40% off. So they were $6 or $5.99. So I think they're so super cute. This one says, "Take a deep breath, surrender and rest. Turn my eyes upon Jesus. Simply abide. Still believing." Is that what that says? Still believing. Still learning. Sorry, give it to him. I can't even read. So that's that one. Super cute. Faith Illustrated. Does it have a name? Shanna. So this is the second one that I got. Hopefully you can see the Sorry for the Glare. And this one is called, well, Shanna too. No mind. So they don't have a name. They all say Shanna on the back. Sorry. This one says, "Quiet the worries," Exodus 14:14. "Be still. Approach with an open eye, open heart." Psalms 91:4, which is talking about that eye. "Let him speak to you." So, super duper cute. I have some ideas for that one. And then the third one, I just love the little images. Super duper cute. Whether you do Bible journaling or not, these are great for 3x3s, iCads, ATCs. I just think they're super cute. To here now, be here now. What in the world? Jeez. Today's blessings. Live in the moment. Appreciate life. Be here now. Gratitude. This is Sheen. I can. This moments big and small. I'm telling you, that's terrible. The glare. I couldn't even read it. But anyway, so I got those three Illustrated Faith. I gotta check, make sure I didn't get this one. I don't know if I did or didn't. But these are the names in the Bible of Christ. Some of them. It's a lot more, but these are some of them. And I like the different fonts. So it says Christ, Messiah, His, Father, Abba, another His, Counselor, Most High, Eternal, Emmanuel, Yahweh, Adonai, Jesus, Wonderful, God Almighty, and Prince of Peace. Some of his most common names. And then I got the books of the Bible. I was so pleased to get this one. This one was $12.99. The rest of those were $9.99. And of course it was 40% off. But they give you all 66 books. And they have all different types of fonts. And then it looks like it's also the numbers, just some numbers. Yeah. So to give you some additional numbers to type with. So various fonts, I like that. I had the other ones that were the white stamps with the, oh, I hated those things. They didn't stamp good, stamp well, and then stay on the block. And I still have them, but I know these are stamped a lot better because these are clean stamps. So anyway, I was pleased to get that. And then I also got this one by Faith Illustrated, and this one was $10 as well. Pray, faith, God, His, He, grace, love, grow is up, my, and hello, loves me, start, you, ing, so ing, for, prayer, yo, and balloon. Pretty much the same font, but just different words and different sizes, so I like that as well. Great for sentiment cards. And so, like I said, these were 50% off as well, so I was so excited to get these. Let's see if there's a name on it. I know they're Elle, but I mean, it's a different one, so I was just trying to see. But these are about stampabilities. And this one just says, no, Bossy. Or does And this one says girls. So this one says bossy. It says lady boss. It's so funny because my cousin, we call her boss lady. Babe, you go this. Babe, what is wrong? Babe, you got this. Oh my goodness. Self-made. You know what? It's late. My grandson's sick, and I think I didn't get any sleep. We all upset, worried about him. With a little help from caffeine. And this one says, toss your hair in a bun. I can't read. Then you get it down to something anyway. I don't know why I'm having a hard time reading that. My eyes are tired of something. But anyway, super cute. Just got finished reading something, so I don't know why I can't read. So anyway, this one is called Girl. This says Darlene, gorgeous, glamorous, and beautiful. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 girls, some shoes, some glasses, and a hair bow. So, like, just gorgeous girls, right? Super duper. So they also had all the bags and the boxes and all the different stuff. So I got 2 kits. They were 50% off. The paper was 50% off. Yeah, a little expensive, I know. But I did get both. So let's see which one I want to show you. I think I want to make a mini album out of this. I think it would be so cute. I'm going to get back into my mini albums. I really like making those and scrapbook layouts. So anyway, that's foil paper. And I'm sure you've seen this. But I'll do a quick flip. Pencils and floral. That full. That gold. Telephones, and it says hello. And some of them are in gold foil, and some of them aren't. I don't know if the lights can make it worse. Yep. It's not gonna help. Look at those leaves. Love the cut aparts. Hey there, lady. Look at that. See, the stamps are these same exact ladies. Oh, look at that cheetah print with that gold on it. These just a whole bunch of things like darling, glamorous, gorgeous, beautiful. Got your little roses. Girl with coffee. Got your camo. Got your fortune cookie. Stripes, diagonals. Look at those flowers. So it's like 3 pages of each. Yeah, even the cut parts. So it says, babe, you've got this. Yes, queen, love, lady boss. You are glamorous. So blah, blah, blah. So different things like that. Eyelashes, pineapples. Random letters, which you can see they spell things like glamorous. Lipsticks. Oh, I want to do a mini album out of this. Shoes. So, and then the small. So anyway, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye.